So what's that, the hose from the last greenhouse?
I think so, or it was in front of it, but it was buried underground, so I don't know where it ran. But it had a V in it, which I've put over there. Unless it was supposed to be the water feeder for the chicken pen area, maybe.
So anyway, how's it going, folks?
Hi.
Hi.
Just fixing the pipes.
Just doing a little bit of a clean out, and Jack is ironing off Blackie, or Eunice. So you be nice, Jack. You play nice. She's already put him in their place twice.
She's gonna teach him a lesson.
Yeah, but today we are tackling the last of the greenhouses, getting it ready so we can do a little bit of work over there. Just to bring you up to speed, that area over there will be the aquaponics and garden area. We're just trying to line all our ducks up and get a tractor here to do some work for us with a bucket, level it out, maybe get some crusher dust in to give us a nice working surface. But to begin with, we need to remove this at least. So this is today's job, but before we do that, what are we doing, Bianca?
We're harvesting more and more pumpkins.
More and more pumpkins. So we've got some more pumpkins in here that have to come out. There was one that was hanging there. It fell off in the wind the other day, so Bianca's already taken that one over to the house.
And Jack did harvest it.
Jack did harvest it. He came running through here before.
He kicked it, so he snapped it off.
Not a problem.
Ready to go.
And you shouldn't be picking up anything, Bianca. So how about
it's under 5 kilos?
you take over the camera work? Bianca's still recuperating from her surgery. So I shall go through and harvest some pumpkins. What were we going to call this one? Not another pumpkin video?
Hopefully the last pumpkin video.
Yeah, I think hopefully it will be the last pumpkin video, at least until next season. We'll do, I think that was a bee, Jack. Oh no, there's little bugs flying around.
I'm a little bit concerned about what might be living in there.
Yeah, we have seen some strange goings on, so we'll do these ones first. You might be able to make out the difference in the colour here. That cream there pretty much all shows that this pumpkin is mature. That's the way Bianca and I have worked it over the years, and it seems to be pretty accurate. This one here is still a little bit green, but rather than let it get run over by the slasher when I come through here next weekend, or this week hopefully, I might as well harvest it now. My nephew Angus, he's taken a couple of these back down to his place to cook with, and he's found that these younger ones will mature okay. They just don't have any seeds in them. So thanks for the heads up on that, Angus. And this one here.
They're also much easier to cut.
Yeah.
When they're green.
By the way, mate, I'll bring one of these down for you, or maybe a couple. So there's those ones. Only one here. Oh, I think I know what the animals are in here for, Bianca.
What is it?
A dead magpie.
Oh, really?
Yep, there's a dead magpie just there.
Oh.
Come here, fella. Just put him on a post so Jack won't eat him.
Good idea.
Another couple of pumpkins over here. They're coming off pretty easy. These ones, well, look, yeah, definitely matured, these ones. Oh, this one's broken already. And this one is playing hard to get. Oh, and the other thing we're doing is leaving the stem on. If you do break the whole stem off, like take this whole base off, you can get nasties in there and they can go mouldy and all sorts of stuff.
You end up exposing the flesh.
So yeah,
the stem's a good indicator of how dried out and ready the pumpkin is as well if you're sun hardening. See, it's still quite green. And then if you look at that one there, it's a lot drier, but it's only green at the base.
Well, this one here just it's pretty much all just fallen off the vine by itself. So that one's told itself it's ripe. So it's died up here, but still a little bit green down there. Oh, these two are already self-harvested as well.
Oh, have they?
Yep.
Because that was where the big one was that fell.
Yeah, they were off and dry. That's a nice couple there.
There's another one there.
Is there another one? Oh, wow. They do camouflage well. He's pretty much all dried and broken off as well.
There's one down in there.
Now, as for recipes, Bianca, we haven't been too adventurous as of yet, have we, really?
No, but I did hear an interesting one. I've never seen pumpkin used in cookies before.
Oh, okay.
And then
I suppose I've heard of pumpkin spice cookies.
Yep. And that's the recipes I ended up finding, so maybe Kira might be tempted. Kira's the cookie queen.
She is.
I think there's one down in there.
Is there?
No, what is that?
That is a bucket of some description or potting. We just like to make a lot of noise because no-propes generally will scurry away if they hear a lot of noise. So that is one. You can go in the trolley.
She's a big one too.
I can't see any in here. He says,
as he treads on
as
one.
he finds one. A lot of mildew though, powdery mildew.
Yeah. Try not to breathe it in. Maybe we should take the cover off.
Yeah, I think we'll take the cover off now, hey?
Yeah.
We'll set the camera up on tripod.
Cool.
Now, removing the greenhouse cover was pretty easy really, especially since it was nowhere near as degraded as the last one we had to remove, with microplastics flying everywhere. This one was buried the same as the other, probably around about 100 mil or 4 inches under the soil. So Bianca loosened it up in a few areas just to make it easier for me to pull out. We did notice that one of the cross members at the end had pretty much all rusted all the way through. So we are going to have to find some way to support that when we move it, just to brace it up so we don't damage any of the hoops. Now the hoop house is pretty much all staying there for the time being because Bianca can't lift anything and I don't want to try and manhandle it myself. So just to tidy it up, I hit it with a line trimmer down the sides. And it gave me an excuse to bring out the new ride-on lawnmower, and yeah, ran up and down there a couple of times with the green field. I did miss a pumpkin and ran over it with the ride-on, but it won't go to waste, I can assure you of that. And also too, the freshly mowed ground, it didn't take long before the chooks found it, had a bit of a scratch and a dig through looking for bugs and grubs. So I'll move the hoop house down the line when Bee's feeling a bit better. So that
is all done.
Draws a conclusion to our pumpkin videos.
No, it doesn't.
Shall we go for a quick walk and then we'll wrap it up?
Yeah.
We'll show you the pumpkins that are left. A couple of manky brown ones here.
Yeah.
Just behind Bianca over here. We have one,
a bug
two,
in the mouth.
I do. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One hiding in there, 8.
That looks like it's snapped off.
Has it? And then we have a couple of random guinea fowl eggs that, yeah, they're just true landmines.
Don't touch them.
And then we have these ones over here. So we have those ones there, those ones down in there.
There's some along the fence line there too, on this side.
Oh yeah, there's 1 or 2 down there. We'll have a quick walk over here. There's a couple in the fence there. And then we have these ones all down in here as well. So there are a couple that are a bit, oh, there's even more over there, Bianca.
Oh, and more down there.
And more down there. And also up in the long grass up in that corner.
Oh.
So. Oh, that's a decent looking pumpkin.
Yeah, I just kicked it and it broke off.
So there you go. Covered in ants, but yeah, they're still all good. How are you, babe?
Tired now.
Tired now? Yep, still recouping. But if Jack would like to get out of the way, please, buddy. These
drool all over the pumpkins.
Charming. These are the remaining pumpkins from the last 2 harvests. How many is there?
I think there's about 50 left.
About 50 left there.
And then we had 8 or 9 there rot.
Yeah, so just some, as we showed before, the tops came off when they were harvested and just going a bit manky. Others maybe fly blown, we're not 100% sure.
Some rotted at the base of the stem as well.
Yeah.
So they may not have been completely ready because the vine died, and that's why we started harvesting. So. And
today's harvest is 18. This is the one that came off that was hanging the other day. Well, it's actually 18 plus 1, isn't it?
Yeah, the one that was mowed and eaten by the dog.
Yes, Jack decided to have a bit of a munch on it after we were done. But yeah, that's another job ticked off the list. Hopefully there won't be too many more pumpkin videos after this. What do you reckon?
Gonna pick all them up yet?
Yeah, we might do them as a short though, a couple of shorts. Yeah, so we won't bore you with our pumpkins. If you guys do have a favourite pumpkin recipe, please leave it in the comments down below. We would definitely like to try something different. There's been a few ones suggested already. So yeah, that would be absolutely awesome. So I think we'll leave it there. Just quickly, don't forget that we do also have an online shop where we sell a few bits and bobs. Also my Aquaponics consultation service. and the online aquaponics beginner's guide for you folks starting out with aquaponics. So suss them out if you want. Fingers crossed there'll be no more full-length pumpkin videos, just shorts from now on, but we will leave it there. Any parting words, Bianca?
No.
No?
No, pumpkin.
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 So there you go, folks. Hope you're all having a top one, and we'll catch you next video. Cheers all.
Bye. He usually likes it cooked. Oh well, it's not going to waste.